on May 1st, as the entire world celebrates International Labour Day. 1st May also marks Maharashtra Day or Maharashtra Divas, as on this day Maharashtra state was formed 59 years ago. Let's know about significance, history and formation of state of Maharashtra. Earlier, the state of Maharashtra was known as the state of Bombay, with people speaking different languages like Marathi, Gujarati and Konkani. In the mid 1950s, a regional movement known as the Sanyukt Maharashtra Andolan started agitations and protested demanding a separate Marathi speaking state. It was in the year 1960 when the state of Bombay was divided to create two new states named by Maharashtra and Gujarat. It was under the States Reorganization Act 1956 that the boundaries of the state were defined. 1st May is the day when the state of Maharashtra came into existence. It was on this day in 1960 when the state was formed on linguistic grounds. Now, my colleague Mrs. Sarabjit Kaur will give some information about Maharashtra.
Let's know about Maharashtra. Every year, Maharashtra Day is celebrated on 1st May. Maharashtra state is formed on 1st May 1960. Capital of Maharashtra is Mumbai. Number of districts in Maharashtra are 36. Chief Minister of Maharashtra is Uddhav Thackeray. Official language spoken in Maharashtra is Marathi. Area-wise, Maharashtra state is at 3rd position. Population-wise, Maharashtra state is at 2nd position. Major rivers in Maharashtra are Godavari and Krishna. Governor of Maharashtra is Bhagat Singh Koshyari. Famous monument of Maharashtra is Raigad Fort. Famous festival celebrated in Maharashtra are Ganesh Chaturthi and Gudi Padwa. Traditional dress of Maharashtra is dhoti, kurta and sari. Famous food of Maharashtra is Puran Poli, Vada Pav, Misal Pav and many more. Jai Maharashtra.
Thank you, Miss. From speeches to colorful parades, Maharashtra celebrates this day with a lot of enthusiasm. However, due to the second wave of COVID this year, Maharashtra Day will be celebrated on the virtual platform. At last, on behalf of our HM, Mrs. Mandeep Kaur Virdi and staff, I wish you all Happy Maharashtra Day and Happy International Labour Day. Stay home, stay safe. Thank you. Jai Maharashtra.